Welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, welcome to GGS Global Consult YouTube channel. So guys, as I've already said in the description of this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add money to your PayPal account without linking your bank account nor your credit card or debit card. This is a simple step-by-step procedure which I believe I'll be discussing in full details for you to grab all the insights, information necessarily needed for you to do this simple thing, to add balance, to add funds, to add money to your PayPal balance in order to use to purchase or buy anything that you want to buy or make any payment online. So guys, thank you guys for checking through our channel. Thank you guys for clicking to our video to know what we have in packaged for you. And to my subscribers, those that joined us newly, I really appreciate you guys for showing interest in most of our content. And to my return subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for knowing what we have next in this channel. I promise you guys I will keep doing more researches to solve any of the issues we have regarding to any payment platform that we have. So guys, expect more content, expect more informative and better content. So I'll ask you guys to please do us this favor by clicking to subscribe and also turning on the bell icon, so whenever we post any video you always be the first to get notified. So guys, in this video, as I've said, is something that you won't want to miss, so I advise you watch the video to the end because everything will be discussed in a simple step-by-step procedure. Watch this video to the end and solve your issues in adding balance to your PayPal account. See you in the video. So guys, as I already said, today's video is about teaching you how you can be able to add funds, get paid without linking a bank account to your PayPal account. Actually, some persons are finding it difficult in doing this, so this is why I brought out time to at least give you guys the insight on what you need to do and the necessary steps you need to take in order to get paid without you having to link your bank account or your credit card or debit card. So actually, number one thing I just need to tell you is make sure you have an account that is perfectly working. As you can see, this is a newly account I just created for my business, and in order to know how you can be able to create this account, I'll be dropping a link in my description below so you can learn the perfect way of creating this account in my PayPal course. So guys, I will have to go straight forward to the video of today, which is teaching you guys how to add fund to your PayPal account without linking a bank account. First of all, the only thing you just need to go is click on this three line on the top button. Do not go to pay and get paid, which is the next thing you just need to do. Once you clicked on it, you go ahead and click on payment request. This is the thing you just need to do. And in order to request for payment, that means, should I say, for instance, you know that you don't have a bank account to link and your account is perfectly working, though you have verified your account. So the next thing you just need to do is either you send payments, anybody that has a PayPal account can send you from their own balance. This is one means some persons used to do, but this one is even more preferable. So the next thing we just need to do is you click on contact. Once you click on contact, you see get paid with your paypal.me. This is one of the best steps that most persons are using, which you just need to do is copy your PayMe link and you send it to anyone that wants to pay you, and the person instantly pay you, and this money reflects to your PayPal balance. This is how it is being done. Once I create my PayMe link, that means I will have to go ahead and start implementing all the necessary things I need to do. Putting my video, putting my pictures. After putting my pictures, I will have to make sure that everything works perfectly in order to get this done. So as for now, I will have to, not now, let me leave that for now. I will now have to put something that will make it seems as mine, because I have to create a PayMe link that I can use from anywhere without being restricted from PayPal. So this is what you just need to do. You have to create a PayMe link that is unique to your brand. So I will have to copy my business name and create my own PayMe link. Okay, Richie Global Consults. So this is it. So once I click on next, so you can see the name and everything has to match as the same. So whenever I copy this, my PayMe link is done. So as you can see, all I just need to do is to copy it and send to anybody that wants to pay me. I'll just click on it, manage my profile, I copy my link. So once I copy the link, because this is where I just need to copy my link. Once I've copied this link, I'll go ahead and share it to anybody that wants to pay me, and this person just goes ahead and click on the pay me link. So I want to show you how it looks whenever they want to pay me in my dashboard. So I'll just go ahead and paste the link here and continue. You can see, so whenever the person wants to pay me, the person just go ahead and click send, and once the person click on send, he enters the amount he wants to send to me. So that is just all the person needs to do. Enter the amount. For instance, if the person wants to send me $200, can enter $200 from there, and you click on next, and you write what is necessary, what you want to use the account for the money for. So once you've written that, you send the payment, and this money reflects to your balance immediately. So this is how it is. This is how you can easily add fund without linking a bank account. So guys, I believe you understand what I did here and the procedure that is necessarily needed in order to get this link done. So all you just need to do is have an account that is legally verified. As I said, I have a video that's going to be teaching you how to do that is legally verified, and once you've done that, you can now easily log into your account and create a pay me link. Once you've created your pay me link, you copy the link, you send to anybody that wants to send to you and that wants to pay you, maybe for a job that is being done. Just send it so the person can the money can reflect in your balance easily without stress. So that is just how it is done, guys. See you in the next video, guys, because I believe I'll be giving you guys more detailed videos after this on how to add funds to your PayPal account. All I will ask you to do is to click to my channel and expect more content coming in an easy way. If this one is difficult for you to do, I will also have other means for you to solve any issues in adding fund to your PayPal account. So guys, do well to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also please do not forget to like and share. We need you guys to share and like our content. For those that are finding difficult in facing this type of problem, they will also get solutions immediately. Thank you guys. See you in the next video, and please do not forget to subscribe. Love you. Thank you. Welcome, guys. I believe you've understood all I discussed in this video. So all I will just need you to do is to follow the step-by-step procedures I already discussed in the video, implement that, and start using it to add fund to your PayPal balance. This is just a simple things you need to do. And again, if you know that you're in the category of you have created so many PayPal accounts, and you notice that whenever you create any account, PayPal send you a notification that your account is permanently banned. Maybe you are banned in your previous account and you still continue creating the same account, creating another PayPal account, and PayPal still keep telling you account is banned. There's something you are really doing wrong, which I believe I've already discussed in full details for you in my PayPal guide and PayPal instructional video course. So all I'll just need you to do is grab this PayPal course, learn the simple way of creating a PayPal account and problems, things you need to avoid in order not to get banned after the creation of this account. This is what I'll discuss in full details in my PayPal guide. Go ahead, click to grab the course, learn these things for your own good, and save yourself from PayPal limitations and start receiving payments internationally with an authentic, verified, legal business PayPal account. So guys, this is this for the video, and please do not forget to please like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also please share, because I believe the moment you share, it helps out with others. So guys, see you in the next video, and please do not forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye for now.